Welcome to Admin Setup Client Notifications. In this section, I will explain how to set up client notifications upon creation of an event. Select the Admin tab, Event Status. I'm going to focus in on the business type tax preparation, and client notifications are listed under this column here, this third column in here. We're going to focus in on rejects. And what a client notification is it's an email or text or both that will be sent out to the client when an office event is created. So we'll click on the one for rejects. To begin with, you want to make sure that you check this box here to enable the notification. You'll want to go ahead and type a subject and your message. You are able to customize your message with the client's name, so it does have the instructions here on how to do it. But if you type the word client like this, what it will do is it will actually customize that message with the client's name right from the file. The text message section is located down below here. You want to make sure that you do keep that short because generally text messages are limited to about 280 characters. And you are also able to create your email messages and text messages also in Spanish or another language if you would like. Once you have created your message, enabled it, you want to make sure that you click the Save button right here. So you have now created your email and text notification. If you want to stop these notifications at any time, all you need to do is uncheck this box and save it, and that will turn off the notifications and they will not go on. Go back to the event status here. So any of these that are orange shows that you do have an active notification set up. So it's enabled, you have a message there, they are ready to go. So any of the ones that are not highlighted, that means that there is not an active notification. So I'll show you how the notification will work when an office event is created. We'll go to the home page here. So we created that office event to be triggered for when that client's file is moved into rejects. So we'll look at awaiting IRS acknowledgments. If this was our live system, we would actually have our acknowledgment codes here. But let's say that John Bell rejected. So we would select him and we would move him to rejects. Select go. Yes, we want to send it. If we click on our rejects event, you can see here that we now have two clients sitting here, and you can see that notifications have gone out. So this is John Bell, who we just moved in here. And over here under this notifications column, you can see that there's a number 2. So that means 2 notifications went out to this client. If you have an email on file and text cell phone information, then a text went out too. If you click on this, it's going to show you the log. So it's our account event notification log. So you can see here that it was customized with the client's name. This is the email address it went to, this is the cell phone number that it went to, and this is the message that went out. In the live system, again, it would have the date set. So you're going to have that full history here of the notifications that you sent your client. So the account notifications upon creations, these will go out every time a client is moved into that specific event. So it's automatically. So these clients are automatically moved to rejects. They've already been notified that their return has rejected, then they can hopefully contact your office and move on with the process. So it makes it much easier because it's more automated, so you don't have to send an individual email to each one of your clients. You don't have to pick up the phone and call each one of your clients. Atom will automate that process for you. So that is all that I have for admin client notification upon event creation. Thank you.